Alrighty, folks. So today I'm going to just do a really quick little like a tutorial video for you guys. I know we haven't used Flipgrid yet together, so I just wanted to kind of make sure that you guys knew how to use it. Okay, so I'm going to show you my screen here. I'm going to go back. This will be pretty much today's folder, right? If you click here on that blank skeleton right there, if you can't find a volunteer to go ahead and assist you with your assignments, or you don't feel comfortable asking somebody, you can definitely use the skeleton. It has the intercostal spaces. You still would go ahead and treat Mr. Skeleton here like a patient, and you can either print it out and have it on the table and go ahead and perform your assignment requirements, or you can go ahead and maybe even leave it on the computer and zoom in a little bit, make little smaller leads, so that way you can record yourself setting them in the appropriate places. Okay, kind of a thing. Get creative, but you do need to record yourself placing the leads in the correct intercostal spaces, and knowing where they go and why. And like I said, acting as though this is a real patient. Your volunteer is a real patient. Explain to them how to lay down on the table. Explain to them to put their arms at their sides with their palms up. Let them know to relax. Try not to fidget, move, giggle, or talk, that sort of thing. So that way you get a nice smooth reading. Okay, so there's that. If you go ahead and click here in a minute, once I go ahead and upload this or finish processing it, here is the link to go ahead and, of course, watch the little tutorial video. That's what you're watching now. Okay. If you copy or paste this into your browser, or if you go ahead and you click on this, it's going to go ahead and pretty much take you to this site here. Okay. So you have these options here. You're going to click enter a join code. Okay, and Ms. Jaramillo's join code here, if you didn't notice, is going to be Jaramillo 1347. Okay, so you just click in Jaramillo 1347 and you click go. Okay, and that's going to pretty much kick you into my evening class here for you guys. You're going to join with Google. You're going to go ahead and type in your PMI email address, because that is how I know you, and that's how I've gone ahead and set up the logins, the permissions for it, I guess you would say. Okay, so this is Ms. Jaramillo's evening class. Okay, you'll see here that I've already gone ahead and started a topic. Okay, so you guys can go ahead and watch this little video here, and you can respond to it if you want to. You can record a response to this video. Okay, and then you can go ahead and create your own response, your own video. This is where you can go ahead and record yourself doing your ECG procedure, and then you can save it to your computer or load it to your computer, so that way you can upload it to the site here. Okay, if you need to record a response, or like I said, you can upload one. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns, you can reach out to me at ejaramillo.pmi.edu, or up in the chat. You can hit me up in the chat until 10 p.m. So you guys know how to get a hold of me. Let me know if you need anything. We're always here to help. Have a good one.